In this video, we will see the feature post slider. For this tutorial, we have created this page to use the feature section, but you can use it in any post type that you want, and of course with your preferred page builder. And now we go below to find the feature section. There are all these available options here that you will find in our other tutorials. Now we will see the post slider. Here there are 4 different layouts. Let's try one of these. Now you can choose the query method if you want to use latest posts, for example, or include specific posts. Here you can add the post ID that you want to include, separated by comma, and you can find the post ID when you are in your post, for example, here in the address bar. And if you choose the latest, you can also choose a different post type, like portfolio or product. And of course, you can add a number of posts. Below you can also find other options like background, position and color overlay. You can customize content, title and description. You can find button options. And you can also add an extra class. So let's try this one to see the result. And this is our first post slider. Nice, right? Let's try one more. This one, and let's make it with a black background. We can also change the color overlay, and we need to change the title and description color, and of course we will need to change header skin so it can be visible. And that's it. That was pretty easy. This is how you can add the feature post slider. Thank you for watching.